there is a no option. There is a no option, and they always do their work. And if you have the capability and the capacity, then you can easy to walk anywhere. Government teachers conditions are very poor, and they are not providing basic facility, but
the money.
the government will pay you your salary. They cut half, but they pay you. Firstly, I would love to thank you, sir, that giving me this opportunity to talk about this great topic. As we know, private job has a lot of opportunity. Every door of the company, what you are skilled for, they open for you, and they very welcome for you, and they giving you opportunity for your skill based job where you do hard work and get your goal achieved with a certain of time. And in the other hand, government job, just for achieving a particular job, you have to do a lot of hard work just for get appointment from them, and 4 to 5 year competition exam practices. That means these all things select from ourselves. So when you come to the private job, you have to do just 1 year diploma, and then you got your job, and as you want to do in that field, and that makes good.
First of all, in government job, we passed through a very means like we have to complete our exams, and after interview became a government job employee. So it means that we are highly educated, and we are capable of doing that job. And in private job, that are only skillful, and they are only skillful in that job. They are not highly educated in that job, and also there is a security of government job, and there is no any type of security in private job.
But in my opinion, private job is better than government job, because if you want to earn money and you have completed your 12th but not completed your graduation, then you go to give interview and show your skills, whatever you have, and your skills give you the best job in private sector. But it is not in government sector. If you are doing your 12th, and after 12th you want to earn money, and you are not completed your graduation and you want earn money, then you if you went to government sector, then you don't get any job in that, because government sector wants graduation, not after 12th.
And I want to say something. Governments are not providing that much job. That's why we are doing private job. And in society, when you are preparing for government job, our society not get you reputation, and treat you like a failed person.
I think there's a opposite mindset about government job, because if I someone goes for a marriage proposal, the first criteria of a person they need is a government job, and forget about it. But I can represent a point that people who works at a government job, they got a lot of time to spend with their family and friends, and that's the same thing in the private job. People not that much are capable to spend time with their relatives and friends, because also my brother is doing a private job, and he's also doing work, because doing at work at home from home. So he is also doing work at Sunday, 16 to 18 hours job. So that means nothing, because if you can't give your the time give your time to your family and friends, so what are you doing for?
You can choose any company nearby your home and in your city as well, so you can spend your time with your family as well.
Also, I have an opinion about private job and government job. if you are doing a government job, then you have to stay away from your family because of transfer. But in private job, there is no transfer, and not this problem.
So there is a lots of loophole that if we talk about our society and our zone, there's not that much opportunity in private sector. But we can be a teacher, government teacher. We can be a social worker as a government person. So that can be helpful for the person who wants to live here. So that means if you have to earn more and not, you have to go outside this zone and search for job as your skill. And there's a lot more consequences, like if you are a fresher, you just have completed your 12th and have some skills, so you get paid very less amount of money. But if I am certified by the government, so there is a certain amount which is already decided, so that I can I know that what I get. If I work in private sector, if I don't work very well, so they can deduct our money from by watching our job performance.
And other thing also, you said that there is a no reputation of government job. Then how would you tell it that there is a no reputation? If you talk to your parents that you want to job in private sector, then they would not allow you to job in private sector, because there is no much reputation as compared to government job. They always force you to join government job. And other thing also, and what about if you pass the 12th or early 12th, you joined the private sector. What if they don't allow you, and there is no security also?
But I wanna tell you, as you said about reputation, then my opinion is in government job, suppose you got a fight in government job, then next time you will not get any job easily in government sector. But in private sector, is a big benefit. If you get any fight with any member of member of this office, then you can change your job easier. You have to no face any problem.
As you said, government jobs are secure. So I agree with your point. Government, as we know, government jobs are secure, and there is no replacement in a government job. But government employee become very lethargic and lazy while doing their job, and corrupted also, and they break the backbone of India, because he will never do their work with dignity. And but in the private sector, they just improve themselves every day, and they work hard with less money to earn high. And there is no option. There is no option, and they always do their work. And if you have the capability and the capacity, then you can easy to work anywhere.
You are trying to say that private sector is the backbone of India or any country.
Because if I give you the example of a government teacher, we are seeing in a government school, government teachers' conditions are very poor, and they are not providing basic facility. But in private sector, they are providing higher salary. And so, for example, if the government school are teaching well, then why the government employees not send their student in government school? Why they send in private school?
Delhi statistics say that 60% people is studying at government schools, and it doesn't mean that people are going. It's all about the mindset of going your richness and the money. And if you say that that private sector gives more facility than government job, so they also taking money from you. If I'm paying money for somewhere, it I also ask for the facilities. So if government taking money, so it's also happened that they will give you facilities. And also if they are taking tax, I know you what you want to say, that if they are taking tax, they're also trying to make the schools and the facilities are better. So we can't say that the government teachers and the government employees are not working hard, because the most of the people who are running the uh, who are running India and our country is from government job and government sector, as you know.
According to the data is said to that private jobs are contribute 60% in a GDP, and it will be increased 70% in future. So we are the backbone. We are making the backbone of India, and we are working for the nation. So how would you say?
Doesn't matter for you are the backbone. Then what about the IS officers? They are not backbone. And you also talked about government teachers. That you told totally wrong, because now wait, let me complete. And you are talking about old data. And nowadays, if you want to become a government teacher, then you have to pass the BPSC like exams. And if you no, I'm talking about government teachers. Any type of government.
But they not teach their secret proper English.
In village there is no private schools. That's also there's a lots of villages out there, and where
Minimum, but it's brother.
no, there I where I belong, there's only a one government school. And I also read when I was kid, like 6 or 7 years, I was used to study at government school, and I also completed my 9th and 10th, 11th, 12th. Also, I'm doing it from government sector. So how can you say that government is not giving that much facilities to you? So if you are the if you are you are a girl, and you also know that you are at 12th, and if you had an exams, so you get the home center, that government cares about your security, and the and how can be it easy for you to give the exams. But if you are in a private sector, or the CBSE affiliated schools, or ISC, whatever it can be said, but they doesn't see that who they are, girl or boy. You should go outside your city or somewhere. So this is the problem I face.
Ikhlas said in private sector there is no facility, but we have also so many facility and salary on time to time. If I talk about in private sector, people are divided in category wise. As we know, SC, ST, OBC, general, etc. And government job have a criteria of reservation, due to which there is no equal opportunity for all the candidates. But in a private sector, there is no reservation like these types of things. And if you are capable for any job, then you can get a job. So
There is also reservation for government jobs, like teachers. There is a reservation for SC, ST and OBC. And other thing that you
right.
and other thing that you said, that the government employees don't work hard. So nowadays, if they don't work hard, they will fired from their jobs.
But as you said, forget it. What will you talk about the payment of government teachers?
They give always on time, and like private sector, you have to work hard all day and night. Then they will pay only few extra money for that.
I want to ask you a question. Is it right that even if we are not even if we are not doing work, and then we still pay. I think this is the main disadvantage of a government job, because if suppose if you are not not
that if they don't work, they will.
so if I give you example, if you are not doing work for a month, so and go on leave, then
The money.
the government will pay you your salary.
No.
They cut half, but they pay you. But I'm saying that
If one teacher don't go to school on time, or if they take one leave, they will cut the
they will provide you salary. So I want to ask you, is it right that
is that
you get your money without hobby? Is it right?
Also a government teacher. They never go.
that thing I ask if they don't go to what they
They are at school. He never go to his school, but they every time get his salary on time.
talking about nowadays.
Nowadays.
No, it's totally wrong.
Oh no, it's not wrong.
Oh, it's totally wrong. I don't even.
Okay. If you talk, you said that government provide many facility like holiday. They get holiday. But my father is also doing a government job, but he doesn't get holiday at time, because he is very busy in his schedule and there is a lot of work. And even he also call only 1 and 2 times and talk for 5 to 10 minutes. And if I give you another example of that, one of my siblings' brother is also doing job, but he doesn't get even in Raksha Bandhan. So how could you say that government provide a facility like holiday? They not provide holiday at time.
Can you tell me that in which particular job of government job in which they don't get to leave?
I'm saying that in government job.
In which context government? In which sector? I know in government job. In which sector?
In which sector?
In government branch. I saw it.
Not you. Last say that the government.
I saw it in UVGV branch.
At
So, as you said that your father is also doing the job, so he's also doing. He's contributing for the country. So, how can you say that they are not capable as backbone?
But some of
But and as you know that that's the job of saving country.
government teachers are not doing well. So I give you the example of the disadvantage of government job. That's why I'm saying.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No.
So, the saving of job of saving country is very hard, as you know, and we should get detached from our family and the relatives. So, and why they have to that much disciplined in their job, because they are the only one who are saving us from the outside world. So they have to do it. But if you say that a person is only doing a job for 10K or 15K per month, and he's doing his 20 hours, 18 hours, so what he is getting instead of giving his time? Private sector.
Yes, we have to do a lot of work, because there we have to prove ourselves, and they increase our salary according to our work and knowledge. That's why we are doing hard work and lot of work.
As you said that India's 60% GDP is private sector. So you also know about how GDP works and what is GDP. You're also from commerce background. So if the GDP is from the private sector, so it doesn't matter that the profit is for India. They also just taking tax from the particular company which is doing their work at our company, at our country. So it doesn't gives a contribution that to develop and give resources to, because in Bihar there's a minimum amount of private jobs, because there are some shortage of resources. People were not interested to invest in Bihar. So the government job is only the last option which people can compete.
In a government job, in private sector, you get higher salary after joining it, and you got promotion within the few months. But in government sector, you need more experience, and you take years for getting high salary, and you have to do at least 5 years. After then, you got higher post. And if I talk about, then no one can judge you there. Like, what are you doing? You are doing perfect or not? But in private sector, they judge us, and they increase our salary according to our knowledge.
Because their company gets lost by a war. It doesn't matter that government.
It happens rarely and sometimes. It depends on the company growth.
If an employee of a private sector will not work, then how his company will work?
But in private sector, there is many people who work there, work hard.
As Eklam said that in a private sector you got fired, but it is not easy to fire and terminate anyone, because there is many labor laws and employee unions also. And if you are not working in a government sector, they also provide you.
You are trying to say that there's the easy chance to get fired in.
No, this is not easy. If you are not working in a government sector, they also provide you 70cc notice, and they also suspend you. And if you are involved in any legal work, in that situation, they also fire you. So
Why I'm trying to say that?
So, according to me, job security is not matter. If you have enough
But
skills, then
What
in that situation, you work anywhere.
what are you doing? Like, you are doing for money, because if I work hard, I get that much money to bear my expenses and family's expenses. So if I get fired easily in private job, so what I get? That means I went there for money and I didn't get that money. So how it is possible? How
Change my job.
This is
Anytime.
the advantage of private
This
sector.
is the biggest advantage of.
allegation they put on you that you are doing?
In the private sector, there is a very less corruption than government sector.
Corruption is everywhere. Without government.
But in the private sector, it's very less.
Easily. This is a thing that without the government.
Only 30%.
What you say?
And also